Hi everyone, welcome to VidiFab's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to watch Netflix movies and shows offline on a Windows PC. At the end of this video, you'll be able to play Netflix offline in any media player. Before getting started, you should know that the Netflix Windows app no longer lets you download videos for offline viewing. So you need a third-party tool. Here, I'm using VidiFab Streaming Video Downloader. It helps you save Netflix videos as MP4 or MKV files so you can watch them anytime without the internet. This is how it works. First, open the software and set your output folder. Choose MP4 or MKV, and set the video and audio quality. Next, click the Netflix tab inside the tool and log in to your account. Then choose the movie or episode you want. Click the download button. A settings window will pop up. Pick the 1080p quality, choose the language for audio tracks and subtitles you prefer. Then click download. The speed depends on your connection, but it usually runs pretty smoothly. When it finishes, open the folder to find your video file. Now you can play it offline on any media player, without the internet. And that's it.
And every time
We're running late. You're just...
Hey.
I also wrote a guide on how to watch Netflix on MacBook and Chromebook. You can check it out with the link down below. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.